this lesson, we are going to add a heading. A heading is great, like a major title that you want people to pay attention to. I'm going to just type in something here. Learn how to create websites with Quix Page Builder. There you go. So that right there is a very simple header or heading. You can choose the tag for it. Now with the tags, the higher the number, the smaller the number, the bigger the text. So if H1 is going to be the largest text you get, if you go to like H6, it's going to be a lot smaller. And these are for SEO reasons. So the robots that are searching your website, when they see H1, they know that something's very, very important. And they see H2, which is next important, and so on and so forth. You can put spans, you can put the div, but for the most part, you just want to put H1 or H2. One of the H's here would work. If it's a major headline, then you keep that at H1, and you can choose to link it wherever you want to link it to. You can choose where that link opens up in a new window, and you can choose the color for it, enable text background. You can do that with the typography. You can choose the typography for that particular one. So it's really simple for you to add a heading. And as you look at websites, all websites have headings.